Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add multiple blank pages to a PDF file in PDF XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and click this page thumbnail option. Now click this organize option. Here you will find this insert option. Click here and select empty pages, and you can add custom pages. You can change pages wide and height. Also you can standard pages. You can add letter size and tablet other. I'll add as like this document page size, this document showing here, and page I'll add 3 pages, page count, and first page before, and select OK, and see this 3 pages now inserted before this document. OK, again click this blank page and click right button and select insert option and select empty pages. I'll insert 2 pages last of this document. Select after, now select OK, and see this 2 blank pages now inserted last of the document. And finally click this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.